The Waterfall vanity is truly a work of art, which brings a level of sophistication all its own to any bathroom design. Elegantly constructed of solid hardwood, this stylish design includes double door cabinets and pull-out drawers, all adorned with satin nickel hardware. The integrated glass countertop, also available in stone in the 48-inch size, along with the sleek drop-in basin design, bring contemporary elegance to any bathroom. Included in the set is a matching large-framed mirror and shelf. Available in 36 inches, 48 inches, 60 inches, or 72 inches. Vanities in the Waterfall collection come finished in espresso, as well as in white or honey oak in the 72-inch size. With functionality, durability, and quality, vanities from the Waterfall collection make perfect centerpieces to all manner of master or guest bathrooms alike. The Waterfall collection, from Design Element. Available from modernbathhouse.com.